What's up, guys? Y'all probably wonder why I'm in the engine bay. I don't know. But welcome back to the channel, guys. So, as y'all know, with the G35 build, I am going to be tubing the front end of this thing. So this is the radiator that I will be putting in the G35. Probably go from here one piece all the way over there. I'm about to hook everything up, hook up the compressor and stuff, and get to bending some tube. So yeah, as y'all can hear my loud ass compressor in the background. I haven't done this in a little minute. I don't know what I'm doing, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna load some pipe up in here. I need a rough estimate of, I think I measured out 71 inches. So what I'm gonna do is measure out an extra foot. So I'm gonna throw that into the bandsaw and I'm going to chop that off. All right, so it's loaded in about where I want it. Y'all, to be honest, I think this was the best investment that I could have went with. Good job, Clutch. Good job. Should have made my stand a little bit bigger, but oh well. I'll fix it one day. We're gonna set our dial to 0. As y'all can see that, 47 and a half. It'll run me here, and I can bend the tips. Turn it so you guys can see it. As you can see, we got our first bend. Let's go fit it up to the car and see where it goes. I might have enough to put me a little tail on it to go straight, but now all we gotta do is bend the other side. So load that bad boy in, find our mark, which is going to be on the flip side. Okay, so somewhere up in here. It's gonna fit mine to nines. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark right here, and I will look at my angle finder. Got my angle finder. Oh yeah, she's gonna fit. Lovely. So, set that bad boy to 0. Bend that in a little bit. 43 should put me just gonna eyeball it. I got my marks here. I'm gonna load it back in to the bender and I'm going to bend these in. So this and this other bracket over here is gonna have to come off. And probably what I'll end up doing is running me some tubing from here to this in like an A, and then I'll have my radiator sitting somewhat in the middle like this. All right. I didn't even check to see how. Not bad, not bad. Just a hair off. Load this in like so. Stand on this because my stand is a piece of crap. That's roughly there. I really need to make a new stand. This is so annoying. But you gotta work with what you get. So now what we're gonna do is load it into here, start bending this side back. We're done. Finally. So everything turned out pretty good. Got a little bit out of line there. We're up. But for the most part, now all we gotta do is cut this off and mount that to the car. And we'll be Gucci. Now, all I gotta do, move that shit, cut this down, put that there, and boom, she's in there. All right, we're gonna cut this down to about 1 foot. And that should put our bar right at the lip of the hood. Oh yeah. I need to definitely cut this side down a little bit more. But let's let the hood down. See where she sits. Oh yeah. That's gonna sit perfect. So basically, it's gonna sit in there just like that. Oh yeah, that's gonna be perfect. So for the sake of this video, so it won't be so long, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and cut this down and get the tabs ready to be welded on the car, on the strut mounts. And when you guys see it, it should be tacked in place. All right. I finally got the pieces, well, the piece welded in, got the radiator hanging. This is how she looks. Not bad. What you guys think? I don't know, I might get another radiator because this radiator is just, it looks like shit, but I mean, it'll work for now. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Nice old Fitbit. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. This has been a long beat day. If you like this video, which I hope you did, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. Y'all know what them people be saying on YouTube. Share this video, share this channel, and we'll see you guys in the next one.